Welcome everyone. I just wanted to do a quick video to talk about the upcoming gathering, the Midwest Rip Rap Festival, which took me, by the way, 3 tries just to get it right. Anyway, MRRF is coming up this Friday and I'll be heading down that way. So stick around and we'll just talk a little bit about it. I'm Ron and this is my place. So thanks for sticking around. I just wanted to let everybody know that I am heading to MRRF. So if anybody is going to be there, look for the big, annoyingly yellow shirts that I just got made up. My daughter's also joining me, so the two of us will have these bright red, bright yellow shirts on. And if you see me, you'll see me carrying a bag. I've got plenty of maker coins here, and ask me for one and say hello and make sure I don't come back with any of these things. So I'm really looking forward to this. It's going to be a great visit, and I'm hoping to meet a bunch of people that I feel like I've gotten to know on the internet through YouTube. And I know Joel's going to be there. Mr. Noré is going to be there on the Open RC. I'm really looking forward to that as well. I hope that Joel gets his big car there. That'll be cool to get some pictures of. I'm going to try and get some pictures and little video snippets. I may try and do my first live stream down there. I haven't fully decided. We'll see how the internet is down there. I've heard that we can crash the Wi-Fi pretty easily, so I don't know if we'll have that kind of connectivity or not, but we'll give it a shot. Let's see what happens. If anybody has anything special they're looking for, let me know. I'll try and cover it while I'm down there. But I truly want to make sure that I get to meet everybody. And if you see me, just wave and say hi. It'd be really cool to kind of connect with a bunch of people more in person rather than just on the other side of that camera. But I know you're there. You're just like right behind the camera, right there. Yeah. No. Yes. There. Yeah. That's it. So other than that, we did hit the big milestone. I mean, we're at 838 so far, but we did break the 100,000 views. That was super exciting. I was actually watching it last night and talking to my family on Messenger, and we were just kind of going, and I was trying to decide if this thing was stuck at 99999 because it sat there for a while, and then all of a sudden it refreshed and jumped up. So I do appreciate it. It's all about you. It's building the community. I truly am having a blast with all this, and I truly hope to meet a bunch of you down there in MRRF. It's going to be awesome. So if you can't be there, I'm so sorry, but I'm hoping that we can get some coverage for you. I'm sure there's going to be 1 billion people, okay, probably 1,000 or so, there gathering and taking some videos and footage. So looking forward to it. It's going to be great. Thanks again. If you're new here, go ahead and hit the subscribe. If you like it, like it. If you dislike it, dislike it. Just make sure, as I always say, let me know why. So thanks again. Have a great night, and I'm super excited, and print everything you can. And what do you think of the shirts? I think they're cool. Let me know down below. Thanks. Bye.